Here we divide 535 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 3 and it is 13. 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. Again we put down this 5 and it is 15. 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So and there is no other number to put it down. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 535 divided by 2 is 267.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.